Most creators upload shorts, then wait, and nothing happens. No views, no subs, no growth. Here's the truth. Viral shorts aren't random. They're engineered. And the best engineers right now? AI tools. These tools are helping small creators go from 0 to thousands, sometimes millions of views overnight. Whether you're stuck at 50 subs or haven't even posted your first video, this is your shortcut. In this video, I'll show you how AI handles the hard parts: writing, editing, optimizing, and even scheduling your content for maximum reach. By the end, you'll have a full-stack system for going viral with shorts. No expensive software, no burnout, no guesswork. Let's unlock the AI advantage. Why start with shorts? Because the algorithm loves them. YouTube is pushing shorts hard, meaning insane reach with low effort. And here's the kicker. They're perfect for beginners. No gear, no script, no face required. But even better, you can let AI do 80% of the work. AI tools help you ride trends, repurpose viral clips, and create binge-worthy content in hours, not weeks. If you're starting from zero, this is the lowest risk, highest reward entry point into YouTube right now. You don't need to be a creator. You just need the right tools. Before AI helps you go viral, you've got to pick the right battlefield. Here's how to niche down fast. Ask yourself, what's working now? Use tools like VidIQ and Glimpse to track fast-growing short trends. Look for niches with high volume but low saturation. Here are a few AI-friendly niches blowing up right now. Motivational clips. Use 11 Labs plus B-roll to pump out 3 to 5 videos daily. AI facts and tools. Meta, ChatGPT, and cool hacks people don't know. Reddit stories. Narrated with AI voice plus auto-subtitled. Street interviews. Repurpose public TikToks legally with AI summarizers. Even memes and viral reactions can work if you keep a consistent brand tone. Once you've picked a niche, lock in a posting style. Keep it recognizable. Let AI handle the creative bottlenecks, and you'll scale faster than creators doing it manually. Let's build your AI-powered shorts engine. Step 1. Script. Use ChatGPT or Shortly AI to create a tight, punchy 30-second script around trending topics. Pro tip, keep it one idea per video. Step 2. Voice. No mic? No problem. Use 11 Labs or Play.ht for hyper-realistic AI voices. Choose one tone and stick with it for branding. Step 3. Visuals. Grab B-roll or motion graphics with Pexels, Pixabay, or Runway ML. For Reddit or tweet-style content, use typeframes or CapCut templates. Step 4. Captions. Tools like Submagic or captions.ai add kinetic subtitles automatically. Perfect for silent scrollers. Step 5. Editing. Try Opus Clip, Vozo AI, or V.io to auto-cut, zoom, and sync with your voiceover. They analyze retention data and suggest edits that keep people watching longer. All that, done in under an hour, even if you've never edited before. Let's be honest. Learning video editing, scripting, and optimization from scratch is overwhelming. But AI levels the playing field. Here's a setup perfect for beginners. Use ChatGPT to generate 3 to 5 viral-style hooks per niche topic. Run those scripts through 11 Labs or Murph.ai for voiceover. Use CapCut AI templates or Pictory for drag-and-drop visuals. Add auto-subtitles with Submagic and let Opus Clip or Vozo AI optimize cuts. This combo handles 90% of the workflow, and it's mostly drag and drop. Worried about making it unique? That's where smart branding comes in. Use the same intro hook style, font, voice, and pacing every time. Let AI do the work within your brand framework. Even if you're shy on camera or not a native English speaker, you can still create content that looks and sounds pro. Start small, maybe one video a day, then batch produce weekly and scale from there. The learning curve is gone. Now it's just consistency. Let's walk through your first AI-generated short. Step 1. Use Glimpse or vidIQ to find a trending keyword in your niche. Example: AI tools for students. Step 2. Prompt ChatGPT. Write a 30-second YouTube short script about 3 AI tools for students that most don't know. Step 3. Paste script into 11 labs. Pick a voice, calm, energetic, or dramatic. Step 4. Grab matching B-roll using Pictory or Pixabay, or drag in CapCut AI templates to auto-sync visuals with voice. Step 5. Drop the video into Submagic to generate captions with kinetic effects. Set a headline caption in the first 3 seconds for max retention. Step 6. Add a logo or watermark for branding. Export at 9:16 vertical. That's it. From trending topic to finished short, fully AI assisted in under 60 minutes. Once you've done this 3 to 4 times, you can start batching 5 to 10 shorts at once. Viral content isn't luck anymore. It's a system. Uploading is easy, but optimizing? That's where AI gives you an edge. Step 1. Title. Use your hook in the title. Example. These 3 AI tools changed how I study forever. Step 2. Hashtags. Always use #sign shorts, your niche tag like #sign AI tools, and a trend tag like #sign productivity hack. Step 3. Description. Drop 1 to 2 lines that summarize the hook and include keywords. Use ChatGPT to optimize. Step 4. Thumbnail. Even though YouTube picks a random frame, you can upload a custom one from Canva or test with Thumbly AI. Step 5. Test and tweak. Tools like TubeBuddy or Revid AI let you A/B test thumbnails, titles, and posting times. Final tip. Set your videos to loop. End on the first frame or with a call to action that resets the hook. You'll double your watch time instantly. Monetizing shorts is finally real. You can earn through YouTube's Shorts ad revenue, affiliate links in pinned comments, brand deals, even with 10,000 subs if your content is niche. AI can even auto-detect sponsor fits using tools like Koji or Fame AI. Here's the truth. You don't need to be early, you just need to be smart. Thousands of shorts go viral every day. Most disappear, but the ones built with systems stick around and scale. AI isn't a crutch, it's a creative partner. Start with simple videos. Let AI show you what works, then double down. If you're overwhelmed, remember, most creators burn out because they do everything alone. Now you've got help. Tools that think, write, and edit. So you can focus on posting consistently. Just start. Your first 10 videos won't be perfect, but your 50th might change your life. If this helped, smash the like button and subscribe for weekly AI content creation tips. Check the description for every tool we mentioned, plus a few bonus gems we didn't. Shorts are just the start. Let's go viral, smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.